Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I will be revealing my new washing machine. Yes guys, this is it, the long wait is over, so let's reveal my new washing machine. Which is the Samsung EcoBubble with a 9 kilogram drum and 1400 RPM, which is a lot more than the Whirlpool, which was only 1000 RPM. I decided to go for this machine because it has all the programs that I need, which I will be showing you later on in the video, and it also looks very stylish, as you can see there. You also get a spanner for removing the bolts at the back of the machine, bolt caps to cover the holes, it's a hose guide, cold water hose, and instructions on how to install the machine. It also has this blue maximum load for the dispenser drawer and a manual guide as well on how to use the machine. It's energy efficient as well. A stars, 3 A stars. The washing machine was bought from AOU for £420. It's currently selling for £399. There's the dial displaying a selection of wash cycles, cotton, synthetic, and the fast wash cycle. Moving along, we have the display screen, which displays the temperature, with the highest temperature being 90 Celsius. You also have a selection of spin speeds. You have your pre-wash and rinse options, and you also have a display time remaining, which I've always wanted. I think this is the delay timer, so if you press this for 3 seconds you can delay the time the wash will finish. You have the on and play button along there. It does come with 10 years warranty, that's 10 years parts warranty. You have to register your machine on the Samsung website for that. Yeah, that's it. That's my new wash machine, completely different to the Whirlpool, but different in a good way. It has great reviews online, most saying that the spin is quiet, so that will make a big difference from the Whirlpool washing machine. And that's because it has a digital inverter motor. Comes in this nice dark silver colour, and it also comes in white as well. So let's take a look at the door, which has a nice black trim around the outside. Yeah, it does have a child lock, so you can activate the child lock to prevent the program from accidentally changing. The door hinge doesn't look as durable as the Whirlpool washing machine, and the inner door frame doesn't feel as durable as the Whirlpool. But only time will tell. As I mentioned before, it does come with a 10-year parts warranty. The door opens wider than a standard door, more than 90 degrees. So shame the wall is in the way, or otherwise you'll be able to see how wide it does open. This is where the magic happens. Tiny holes that mixes air and water and detergent to create bubbles to release dirt from your clothes. The Samsung also features a bubble soak, which basically soaks your clothes in foam before the wash starts, loosening any dirt for extra thorough clean. It also has a hygiene steam cycle, which removes up to 99.9% of bacteria. Okay, let's switch it on to the sound of a tune, which can be turned off if you find it annoying. So you have an Eco Cotton Wash, and on the right it displays how long each cycle will take to wash, but this will depend on the weight of your laundry. So the heavier the load, the longer it will take to wash your clothes basically. It automatically adjusts the time to reflect the amount of laundry you're washing. How smart is that? You have a normal cotton wash, which will take less time to wash. It says 1 hour 27 minutes, but this will automatically increase as soon as it starts to wash. It still has a synthetic cycle, which was my most common cycle on the Whirlpool. It took just over an hour to wash on a 40 degrees, but on the Samsung it will take over 2 hours. It's double the amount, so I need to bear that in mind when I wash my clothes. And it will probably wash the clothes a lot better and be more energy efficient, saving electricity and water costs over time. So let's not panic there, let's not panic. Yeah, the hygiene steam, again, over 2 hours to wash. But however, this will remove tougher stains, like blood should come out easily on this cycle. Rinse and spin, just 20 minutes. Drain and spin options. This model also has a drum clean option, which cleans the drum. Would you believe? It even has bedding cycle, colours, cold wash. So still has all the cycles that had on the Whirlpool. And finally, we have the fast wash, which will take only 15 minutes, but do bear in mind that's only for a 2 kilogram load of washing. Speaking of the quick wash, I'm now going to test the wash machine on a quick wash to make sure that everything is working properly and that there is no leaks as well. Okay, test done and there is no leaks, everything is working okay. So I'm now going to do another wash cycle, but first let me show you the detergent drawer, which has 3 compartments. The left compartment for the main wash, the centre for fabric softeners and the right for pre-wash. The dispenser can be removed by pressing down here and just pulling out. Okay, I'm now going to wash a load. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that the filter is down the bottom here. Easy to access, just push here and voila, it has a tube, as you can see there, which should make it easy to drain any water that gets stuck in the machine. What joy. Okay, so we need to add detergent, starting with the softener and detergent powder in there. Which cycle shall we do? I've changed my mind. I'm going to do a mix wash cycle, which can wash both cotton and synthetic load, and will only take just over 1 hour. I'm liking that. So set the temperature to 40 and it's going to do a 1400 spin speed, and it will rinse twice. As you can see, it's flashing, which indicates the current cycle information. So that's it for this video. Please leave any comments and questions below. I will be doing a full cycle video soon, so you can see how well it performs. Again, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to be notified on that video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.